Hi there everyone, Rob Anderson here, illusionist at the top of the world. We're here tonight, we have got Marty and Brooke that came in all the way from Arkansas, and I just interrupted their date night to show them some magic here. I'm assuming it's a date night. It's a date night, yeah?
Yep.
I think you guys are more than just friends. I didn't ask that. No, I gotta go. Funnier than I am. It is, we're actually gonna tie that into our first trick, so that's good, it's date night. How long have you two been dating? A year, okay, very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, congrats on a year together, that's awesome. We're gonna take you back about a year to some of your first dates, all right, with our first trick. Because maybe you held hands and got to know each other on some of those first dates. You're gonna hold hands in a minute for this trick, all right? Marty, I need you to take your right hand and hold it out just like this. Great. Brooke, could you take your right hand and hold it out just like that? Perfect, just like that. Great, look at those nails, fantastic. My goodness. Better than me, better than me. I've got the 7. I got the 7 of spades there. I'm going to lay the 7 in Marty's hand, and Brooke's hand will go on top of it, so you're sort of holding hands like on some of those first dates. There you go. I wasn't there. I'm stepping back. Good dates, though. You guys had some good dates? Yeah? Obviously. That's good. They should have been good dates. I got the hearts, 2 of hearts there. Hearts are better for you to have. They represent love, and I think you should have these, and I just want you to tell me if you feel that, yes? Okay. Marty, do you feel that? Yes? Okay. Did you feel that? Look what you have. Look at your card. Hearts.
That was cool.
Thank you. Thank you. I like that one too. It's a good one. I do need it back. Thank you. Well, you two found each other. That's great. Special. You bonded. We're going to talk about that. A little bit of magic. Okay. We'll use the 7 of hearts for that. That'll be your card. Go ahead and uncap the marker for me. Put your name on the 7 just in that general area of the card for me. Marty's putting his name on the card, so we know that is Marty's card that he signed. When we see it, we can see his name on there and know that it's definitely his. There's none others like it. We're going to leave it face up, and we will come back to it. For now, though, it's going to be face up somewhere near the middle of the deck, and we're going to get another card for Brooke as well. We're going to get a card for you as well. I'm going to have you put your name on the ace. Ace of diamonds will be your card. Put your name somewhere near the top part of that card right there, again with your name on there. We know it is yours. It's the one you signed because I didn't have anybody else put the name Brooke on an ace of diamonds before it's a little wet. Smeared a little bit, it's okay, you can still see it. Brooke's name is on there. We've got your card face up in the deck. Your card is going to go face down in the deck. I'm not going to find them. They are going to find each other like this. Watch it happen. I want you both to reach in for me, and I'd like you to think of a bonding moment you shared and give a little squeeze like that, both of you on the deck, just like I am, and let go. Your cards just found each other in the middle of the deck. He's not behind it for a second. You look like you might believe it. We're going to find one face up really easily. It's going to have Marty's name on it. We left it face up, remember? But what if the card right next to Marty's 7 happened to be the card that you signed? I think you signed the, was the ace of diamonds? You found each other. Found each other. Just like you two. These 2 cards are special. They represent you both. We're going to bond them. We're going to put them together so they almost look like one card here. We're going to bond them, kind of like you two have bonded. Your experiences and memories have bonded you. Some exciting experiences like your trip from Arkansas to Las Vegas helps create your bond. All those conversations you've had with one another has also helped create your bond, become part of your story. Sometimes a little more mundane. You're just trying to figure out what to watch on Netflix. Still part of your story. Still creates a bond, you know. We have 2 intertwined cards right here. Marty, could you pinch the top card where Brooke's name is on the top right there? Just hold, yeah, just on her name, yeah. Just hold on to that for me. Brooke, could you pinch the bottom card with Marty's name right there? I want you to both think of a bonding moment. You can feel this happening. You can feel this, yes? I'm going to remove the part of this that does not matter, leaving you with an impossible let go representation of your bond together.
So cool.
Sealed and bonded. It's a little souvenir for you to take home.
Yay.
Thank you. I want you, you're doing good. I want you to put that finger on top of this card right there. That's great. It's a blank card. There's nothing on there just yet, okay? We need to make this into an actual card. This is going to be your decision what card we turn this into, Marty. Currently blank. we need to put something on here, all right? It's going to be your choice what card this turns into, and then you can give this to Brooke, all right? It's gonna be a little souvenir from you. We used hearts earlier, so maybe let that guide your decision. It's romantic, but whatever card you want this to turn into, it will turn into. Put your finger on top one more time. Put your finger on top, there you go. Hold down on it, there you go, just like that. I want you to think of any card at all. It could be any card you want this to turn into. This is gonna go from your mind, down your arms, into your hands. You're gonna feel it happening, and it's gonna change now. You felt a little something there, yes?
I guess.
Hold on. Did you think of that card? Is that the card you thought of?
Yeah.
Go ahead and take that. When you're ready, you can give that to her.
You're kidding. You're joking. Are you serious? Are you really? Yes. Oh my gosh, it's a good try.